So I think these are very different USPs that DMS was able to bring at that time.
Being from earlier batches of DMS IT Delhi, how do you reflect on what were your aspirations back then and how DMS has impacted on your career path?
But I intentionally joined part time after having 2 years experience, and that was again in India Mart only.
Mhm.
Uh, with a core goal. So my background is BTech computer. Most of the time, and that's what even I don't appreciate even today's youth. जब back to back engineering के बाद MBA कर देते हैं, I don't see कि engineering का use क्या MBA क्या. That's my school of thought, and it may be right or wrong, I don't know. So I invested 2 years, did coding using all the experience of BTech, and then wanted to move into management career, and that's where I decided to do my MBA. Gladly or thankfully, I think there were only 2 or 3 colleges which offered it that time. One was IIT, one was MDI, and one was IMT Ghaziabad.
Yes, sir.
Uh, IMT was not in my list. MDI was too far off, so I just banked on IIT. That's how I filtered out, with a clear objective to gain experience while on the job. And the bigger aspiration for me as a MBA, it's not about part time or full time, but classroom MBA versus a distance MBA is frankly less to do with professors, more to do with your class forum. So we were 26 of us at that time in the batch, and 26 people combined, even at that time, used to be 500 years of experience in that classroom. It was average experience from 5 to 15 years even at that time. So how many case studies and how many things people can help you learn cross-functionally were the goals that I aspired when I went to IIT and even when I went to INSEAD.
Yes.
So I think that's where IIT helped out. Wonderful faculty, all the professors, all the case studies that they used to have. And then there were cross-function case study. I still remember somebody from Gillette in my batch taught me reverse auction back then in 2002. Somebody from others team taught about whole of supply chain management that happens in one of the company. I was purely from IT background. I never know what is supply chain. I don't have any inventory or something. And I would sincerely suggest all of you to leverage as much experience of your peer group as much you want from your faculty.
Can you please share any of your favorite memories which comes to your mind while reminiscing the time at DMS? Any one such favorite memory you have?
I have many favorite memories. So one of those are, though it sounds stupid, but I used to wake up 7 in the morning because 5 o'clock we were to leave the office. So my office time was 7 to 5 specifically uh, customized for myself. Thanks to my mentors and my boss, I have to leave. So my home is North Delhi. My office was East Delhi, and this is South Delhi. So I don't have choice but to leave by 5, reach there by 6, classes used to 6 to 10. So one of the favorite memory was we fixed a guy who used to serve aloo ke parathe at 8 p.m. in the night in IIT Delhi with some curd, because that used to be the only meal we used to have after 1 p.m. meal. And that's helped us savage. And to make it tough, most of the time, including I think Professor P.K. Jain, including Mr. Harish, their common statement used to be, 10 बजे तुम्हें जाने की जल्दी क्या रहती है, लाइब्रेरी में जाके पढ़ लो 1 घंटा. And you can understand the pain when you are doing a 4-hour class in the evening after office, and then so I think all the dot connects out there. Spending a lot of time in the class, having those mid meals. Other challenges, we were a batch of only 26. So 26 means there cannot be any backbencher.
Yes, sir.
If the classrooms are same, I don't know which classrooms I used. There was an amphitheater earlier when we used to be there. So all the 26 used to come in first 2 rows. There cannot be any backbencher. We used to think aloud, कभी तो full time वालों के साथ एक session हो जाए, कभी तो हम भी पीछे बैठे, कभी तो कुछ कर लें. It used to happen far and few, but yes, there was.
So, what according to you is the, if I can say that, USP of DMS, whether looking at it from today or from your own time, what do you see which you felt was a little bit different over here?
So I think that similar batch or similar type of people, uh, And since everybody had 5 to 10 year experience, that added to the USP in terms of knowledge sharing that happened as a common platform. I
Yep.
generally see general colleges where there's a batch of 90 people, कोई commerce से, कोई accounts से, कोई science से, कोई अलग-अलग stream people have very different views and thought. Possibly maybe different. Again, that's my personal view. Somewhere amalgamation helps, somewhere different same type of people help, but that's what I like. Similar background. All of the us some experience, minimum experience. If I was 2 years, I was the youngest. In fact, if I have to say. There were people much higher from BHL and NTPC and Gillette with 15-year experience. I think those two USP helped out a lot. Like-mindedness and lot of experience and exposure. I also say even the full-time guys, since we used to connect, not very often, but yes, I know a lot of names even now. So they were much interactive and ready to help right from hostel to whatever books or all those basics. End of the day, for part-time was a 3 year program, full-time was 2 years. So we ended up interacting with multiple batches. So that also helped as an open environment for cross-function connect of different teams to learn and imbibe further. IT as a unit and as a whole institute helped a lot in terms of cross-function connect. Possibly lot of professors were teaching apart from DMS, I guess so, including Professor Benwet and Professor Jan, huge experience and exposure across different streams. So the case study and the experience they bring also becomes a bit unique. So somebody teaching only a science course or only a BTech or something may get into silos. So I think these are very different USPs that DMS was able to bring at that time.
So what I'm saying, sir, since COVID has taught us a lot number of things, right? And specifically pursuing an MBA during this time has made it an experience in itself. So being an industry leader for so many years, what is one particular advice which you can give for the future managers who are being trained at DMS IT Delhi right now?
So, Akash, it may sound cliché, but I think ability to unlearn and learn is one of the biggest takeaway, and including for somebody like us who have been working 20 years. So I'm in India Mart for 20 years, and let me tell you the amount of changes we were forced to do in last 9 months, I have not done in last 19 years. Let me be as upfront. There are a lot of orthodox thoughts, even being in IT company that we carry. So for example, we don't have any formula work from home ever in 25 years. One fine day, 23rd March, we were forced to make 5,000 people work from home overnight. All the technology was ready in next 7 days. Sales team, which has only one KPI of going to field, meeting the suppliers, doing meetings, suddenly turned into a tele-sales team overnight because there were no choices. Important thing is not that the problem came. Important thing was were we able to learn and react to the situation in a very limited time. So that ability to be flexible, unlearn and learn, I think is the most important thing that COVID taught us, be as a business or you as a student. I don't think any of you would have thought घर बैठ के पढ़ाई होगी.
No, sir.
College is about fun, going there, enjoying with friends, buddies, blah blah blah. I'm more dreaded about the batch whom I might have passed out without even getting a degree. उन्हें शायद degree भी virtual मिली होगी. I'm
Yes,
not
sir.
too sure if any of those ceremonies happened. I don't think they would have ever thought of that in their life with a dream कि parents आएंगे, साथ में होगा, convocation होगा, you have to throw your hat and all that. But everything changed.
Yes, sir.
So I would say ability to change and unlearn and learn. It looks very cliche, but last 9 months, it really taught us badly how to do that.
Great, sir.